Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture, we have to discuss about a mini project. In this mini project, I will show you how to model a table lamp in AutoCAD 3D. So let's start. So for that, first of all, here I have opened the 3D modeling, AutoCAD 3D modeling display. You can see here one table lamp is created. So same lamp we have to draw in 3D view. Okay, so how to draw that we have to discuss here. So see, everything is given dimension. Okay, this is the lamp base, and you can see the lamp shade is also here, it is visible. So same we have to discuss. So first of all, we have to draw this thing in top view only. Okay, so from here always remember custom model view, select as a top, and better is to work in wireframe. In custom visual style, select as a wireframe, and make sure here 3D modeling you have selected 3D modeling. Okay, after that, see what you have to do, from where we have to start. So you can see here the base of this lamp is drawn. So what is the dimension? From this point to this point you can measure, it is 100 mm. Okay, so first of all you have to draw the one line of 100 mm, then offset that line as a 15 mm, you can see. Then again, see, this is our total from this base to top of this lamp is 190. So see what I am doing, select the from draw panel, select line command and draw one line. First of all, how much? 100 mm. So I have selected 100 mm. Now first we have to offset this line 15 mm. Okay, so select that line, use the offset command or enter, and specify offset distance 15 mm, enter. Okay, now again we have to offset this base of lamp maximum 199, it is given here. Select that base, offset 190, just give it. Now see, from this top of lamp we have to offset 75 mm down, then again 30 mm down, then this is our radius 15 radius na, so again 15 mm down. So select this line, offset, first write down 75 mm. Okay, after that how much we have to offset? 30. So give the length 30. Again we have to offset 15 mm. So just offset it. Now draw one line in the midpoint, just draw one line like this. Okay, this line you have to offset 10 mm here, 10 mm here. Okay, just offset it, getting? So offset 10, both side you have to offset 10 mm. So here I have offset it. Now what you can do, just take this circle command. You can see from here, from draw panel, circle, hit on that circle. After that, from here, this point you have to draw one circle up to here. Okay, like this you have to draw the circle. Now use the trim command, tr double enter, trim this, trim this one, everything we have to trim. Okay, now just trim this line also, this all line you can trim, only just center line, do not trim the center line. Okay, after that, see, we have to draw one line. You can see after this 15 radius circle we have to draw one line. 30 length of this line is 30 mm, and at what angle? 95, from this point to this point, so 95 degree. So for that now you have to use the line command, L, enter, specify first point. Then what you have to do, if you want to draw line of 95 degree, so just press the shift key, less than 95, enter. Now see, here you will get the line of 95 degree. How much length of line? 30. So I am writing here 30. See, we have drawn the line. Okay, like this. If you want to see it is 30 95 degree or not, so draw one horizontal line. From here you can see, use the dimension align command, DAL, shortcut, enter. Okay, DAL. from this point to this point. You want to measure the dimension angular command, we have to use DAN, enter. From this point to this point, you can see 95 it is shown now. So now draw. In this way we have to draw. Now you can see we have to draw this horizontal line. How much distance it is given here? 60 mm. Okay, so just take a line command, draw one line here, 60. Okay, after that you can see here we have to draw one inclined line. How much angle? So angle between this line is how much? If you want to see, so use the DAN shortcut, dimension angular command. From this point to this point it is showing 60. It means here also 60 degree, but we have to see this angle from this horizontal to, so if this angle is a 60, suppose DAN, okay, if the angle between here it is 60, so what is the angle from this point to this? It's 120. We know that total is 180. 180 minus 60, 120. Okay, so here it means we have to draw one line of 120 degree angle, and the length of this line is 80. So see what I am doing. Use the line command, L, enter. For to draw the line of 120, shift key less than, write down the angle 120, enter. See, here you will get the line at what angle? 120. How much length? 80. So give the length 80 like this. Okay, you have to draw line. Getting clear? In this way you have to draw it. After that you can see, if you want to confirm the angle is right or wrong, so see, draw one line and use the DAN, dimension angular command. From this point to this point you can see 120 it is showing now. Now delete it. And this line which we have drawn, it is 80 mm or not, so use the dimension align command. From this point to this point, see, it is 80 mm only, and this line is 30 mm or not, so for that you can use same dimension align. See, it is 30, correct? Now what you can do, see, from this basement to up to here 190 na? Okay, so we have drawn up to here. After that, see what we have to do here now. Okay, so see what I am doing now. Use the arc command here. Otherwise what you can do, just copy this one. Before copying, see, the radius is showing fillet radius 20. So for that I am using the fillet command, F for radius R, and give the radius 20. Select the first object, second object. Okay, now use the line command and draw line like this. Now see what I am doing, just use the mirror command. Okay, first select this object, complete object, use the mirror command, mi enter, and mirror it like this. So now you one option is given here, erase. Are you want to erase the source object? No, I don't want to erase. Okay, now use the arc command. So where is arc? Here, see, different. So you have to use the 3-point arc. First point here, second point here, and third point here. Now we have to offset this arc. How much? 10 mm it is given here. So let's select this arc, offset, offset distance 10. Okay, now use the extend command, ex, double enter, extend here, extend here. Now delete this line. If you want to delete this, delete it. See, the lamp is now ready. After that, now what you have to do here, we have to create a lamp in 3D view. So for that, see what I am doing. This in 2D view, this in this way we have to create. If you want to create in 2D 3D view, so select this lamp, copy first of all. Okay, now draw the line, center line, wherever we have drawn up to here. Okay, now by using trim command, tr double enter, trim one side like this. You can just trim it or delete. Now what you can do, come here in different view, suppose southeast. Okay, you can see now it is here. So now you have to join this line, all line. So how to join? By using join command, J, enter. Select the complete object which you want to join, so enter. See, but I want to join the complete, so better is to come here in top view and join the this line. So I'm using the join command, J enter. Select the object which you want to join, enter. Now see, it will become single object, but this object is not joined, so join that also, J. Select this, enter. Now it is joined, but 1 minute, huh? Again I am trying, enter. No, this will not join. Okay, so come to next, south east or southwest, whatever. Here I am using the rotate revolve command now. So from modeling panel, hit on revolve. Select the object which you want to revolve, enter. Now here what they are telling, axis point, from this point to this point I want to revolve. How much? 360 only. So give the value 360. See the object here, the lamp is, table lamp is ready, but it is in wireframe. If you want to convert, if you want to see this in realistic view, see the lamp is ready. But the problem is what, here you can see the lamp shade is showing in solid. If you don't want to see in solid, okay, so don't worry. Here what you can do, just delete. Here see, I'm using the solid, in solid panel, come here, see solid editing panel, solid tab, solid editing panel, hit on shell. First you have to select this 3D object, enter. Sorry, select the 3D object first. Now which face you want to remove? I want to remove this face, so I have selected this face. Second, I want to remove the this face also, so where it is, select this face. Okay, now enter. Offset distance, suppose 2 feet I have given. Okay, 2 feet is enough, or whatever as per your requirement. Okay, now to exit from the drawing, E, enter. See here we have created. If you want to delete this one, just delete it. Okay, see the lamp is ready, but this line we have to connect to the top of this lamp. Okay, because here we have to place the bulb and everything. So suppose I don't want to remove that face, so for that just press the Ctrl Z, because in that we have to place the lamp na, in top. So press the Ctrl Z. Okay, now see, hit on shell, 3D object, only I want to remove this, enter. How much? 2 feet I have given. To exit from E, press E, enter. Now see this type, and this reference you can just delete, this reference line whatever you have drawn na? See, now it is looking like this. After that what you can do, this line you can connect up to this top of lamp. Okay, like this. So see, the 3D table lamp is ready now in 3D. So this is, in this way you have to draw a table lamp in 3D view. Okay, after that from here you can hit on top view. See the again, this everything is ready, how to create the lamp in 2D and now how to convert this in 3D. Okay, clear? So I hope all of you enjoyed the session. See you in next one.